To open it up, it comes in a regular wig packaging as always, and it looks just like this. I'm going to take it out. So this is what the wig looks. Oh my goodness, like I can tell this is going to be bomb. Like I don't know what, like these wigs, okay, it has one comb right here, so I'm used to a big old comb, so this is gonna feel a little weird. And then it has a comb in the back that has adjustable straps as well. So I'm going to take off this and I'm gonna come right back. So this is what the wig looks like. It just popped on my head. I didn't do anything to it. So it looks like, ooh, what's this white part? It looks like I just did like a flexi rod, you know, one of those perm rods, like, you know, things. So that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna scoot up a little bit close so you see all my business, okay? So this is what the hair looks like. Very, very pretty, very defined. It looks realistic. Let me get up a little bit closer. Come a little closer. Okay, so I'm going to figure it out. That don't sound right. I'm going to comb it out with my fingers. So I'm going to run my hands just like this so we can flip it up. Now I don't want to do this too much because I want to keep this this pattern. So I'm going to flip it out. Make sure you get the roots as well. The reason why, because they have like tracks. This is why I didn't go for a color for this half wig this time, because I have the half wig that same style and it has color in it and you can actually see the tracks. So I do recommend you buy like a black hair dye spray, which I need to buy some so I can wear my wig, okay? This is super cute, super cute. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I'm just in love. Now some of the hair is shedding, so yeah, this is cute. Now it has like this bang situation going on, and I'm putting some hair towards the back as well. This is what happens when you cut all your hair off and there's nothing to adhere to. So this is what it looks like. Like, this is so cute, so cute. So I'm gonna step back a little bit. This is what it looks like on me. So this side is a little bit long, so I may chop this up just a little, cause I'm gonna wear it on this part majority of the time. This is cute. Give y'all another up close. Very cute, very cute. Like, this is so cute. So let's see another way we can style this. Now I'm pretty sure you can style this other ways as well. So this is kind of like a middle part. What it looks like as a middle part. Super cute. Super cute. Like, that is adorable. There you go. Like, that is cute. I still feel like I need to cut this side. It's like too long. And let's tilt it over here. Now, you don't have to tilt it. You can just move some hairs over here. Like, you don't have to do what I'm doing. But I want to keep this part right here defined as possible. And you can tilt it that way as well. And you can style it the way you want. But I don't like that. So I'm going to come back over here. So yeah, so this is how the wigs look like. It looks super natural. It looks like I just did like a perm rod on my natural hair. It looks so freaking nice. And as someone who big chopped like a month ago, and I just chopped some of my hair off a little bit more in this time, so this, I don't know how it's going to like stay on, because the combs, like, great. But this wig is so freaking cute. Like, this is cute. This is bomb.com. I don't know if I should just cut this part, but I probably would leave it alone for right now. I know, I'm gonna cut a few. Just a little bit, because this is just a little too long. So we're just gonna cut this little part to here. I'm gonna do it in a downward motion because the hair is kind of going downwards. Is that enough? Let's see. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's probably like a demo. It's not really a review, but I will give this wig a thumbs up. This is bomb, like bomb.com. Like, I don't know what hairstyle I'm going to wear my hair next week or for tomorrow. Like, this is bomb. I'm planning to actually wear these when it gets a little bit hot. It's still kind of cool outside. I don't know, like the week before it was warm, now it's cold. Like, which one? Which one is it? But anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll touch you guys later. Bye!